Alright, drop the jet down in the stroker to a 134 because it seemed like it wasn't happy with the 138 still. So we'll see if that's why. A bit happier. Still being a little foggy. A little bit? Holy, it's so fast. Stroker still runs like, but. Alright, messing with the Derby again, gonna try to put a bigger jet in it and see if we can't get to run a little bit better with the no airbox situation. We'll see. Put a 100 main jet in it and we'll see how she likes it. Way better. Still has slow off. I bet that's the rollers now though. Broke through. It broke through at the end. It's so loud, it's so loud. That's all car noise, it's not even exhaust.
Try go a little out again now.
Little Audi. So that's all carb noise, not even exhaust.
I know, isn't that crazy?
Carb is ice cold. I mean, yeah, the manifold. I went half a screw out.
No, we need.
Because you see how it is when it warmed up, it got worse, yeah?
Way worse. Way worse.
And if it's too rich, then why was it doing that bogging stuff before? Now it's doing the bogging in a different way, right? But you heard when it cleared through it was like,
And then it took off for a second. It looked like you were mobbing.
Yeah.
I think this thing needs a 70 kit, so I can run a pod filter.
Got worse. What the heck?
I think it just needs 70 kit. I think this thing just needs to be put on the side until it's ready to be fucking
built.
Yeah, cause shout out Juan on the camera.
Yup. Juan on the camera.
I hire Juan as the filmer so he can quit Amazon. I don't think it's gonna fit, John.
That's 100% fitting. I just gave you the template right here.
Let me see the backside.
This is the fitting template. Like, look, no, put the whole part. Flip it around. That's the hole. It has to be done. Any of them. Yeah, X, and then try and hit like a fat outline in the middle.
Step out, John, better step out. He's stepping out.
I'm stepping out. Start.
You start. Yeah, keep going like hold it.
No, did you get it?
Almost. That could have happened though. It could have happened. That was the option too.
It was also the option. Hey, looks good. Wow. That's it. Oh my god. Alright, ready? No.
Wow, actually. Wow. Actually made a perfect hole.
Did it really?
Wow. I mean, it's. Light it up with
the fucking ground. I gotta mount this back in here, but I'm probably gonna fiberglass this over. I gotta figure out a switch panel mounting situation. I'm thinking maybe right here. I can't put it here to hit the ignition kill button. I was thinking about here if I delete the cluster, but I want the cluster for the fuel gauge and the speedometer. I gotta make a bracket and mount it down here. But we got gauges now. Water temp and boost. You can change the color on these gauges. So that looks pretty good. Gonna get another one here and I have one more. So I'm either debating on putting the other one here or putting it here when I fill in this spot. But some bad news happened last night. So I was going through and I was wiring in my fans. I was making a ground for my fans and I was gonna put a riv nut right here and make a ground for it. But when I was drilling the hole for the riv nut, I barely went through this, and this is a lot thinner than I thought. And the drill bit slipped right through with all my weight on it. And as you can see down there, right down there, you see that? Poked a hole in the radiator. The drill bit poked a hole right through the radiator and all the coolant dumped out. So $350 radiator right down the drain. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys like the videos where I'm doing multiple different projects, or if you guys like it where a video is based solely on one project. Alright, so it definitely like the bigger main jet on it. I'm gonna go ahead and up it a little bit. What's in it right now is 100. I'm probably gonna put like a 110 in it or 105. See what we have over there in the jets. And yeah, it was running a little bit happier, but still super boggy, and it would like break up. And I think the belt's like slipping or something in the actual trans is not holding up to it, and that's why it's revving so weird when it goes up. All right, put a 108 main in it. We're gonna see if she likes it. Go all the way in. I'll do like half, one, half, quarter. Alright, it's running so bad now. Like, when you're on it, that's what I'm starting to think it's more trans related, because it's kind of breaking up now. Derby does not like the 50cc. It might be on hold with the Derby until the 70 kit's ready for it. Sounded like a poo-poo. It sounded like a poo-poo. We're getting there. Stroker was still running weird, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the clutch a little bit more, and maybe adjust the needle, because the needle is maxed out, but I'm thinking maybe it's just not getting enough fuel off the line. Also, I really want to do a garage tour soon and just go through everything in the garage and show you guys everything, all the stuff that we have on the side, all the random motors, all the random pipes, and all the bikes, and just more detail on everything. A lot of people request that one, and I don't think I've done it yet since I even moved into this house. Is it time for the 70 kit for the Derby? I think yes, but do we build the Zuma first? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see built first. 70 kit for the Zuma wheelie bike, or continue on with the GP1 Derby. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.